In July 2006, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer.
I had my first brush with prostate cancer 13 years ago.
Thousands of men will face a life-threatening illness or disease. Beyond prostate problems and sexual health, many men will be struck by cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, osteoporosis, or mental illness. Saving lives and advancing excellence in medical research is at the heart of a bold new partnership between the Hebrew University of Jerusalem Institute for Medical Research and Vancouver General Hospital. It brings together some of the world's greatest scientific minds, young innovators, and internationally renowned leaders who will work together across disciplines and unite their areas of expertise. This new collaboration will advance life-saving discoveries that protect human life now and in future years. Tomorrow is today's dream. Since opening in 1925, the Hebrew University of Jerusalem is the academic home of the Jewish people. Founded by Albert Einstein, Sigmund Freud, and other leading intellectuals, Hebrew University preserves and enriches Jewish thought and creates a better, safer world with its first-rate research and real-world solutions in medicine, biotechnology, agricultural, and animal sciences. Ranked #1 in academic excellence in Israel, Hebrew University faculty and students conduct 43% of all biotechnology research in Israel and 40% of all civilian scientific research. There are 3,000 ongoing research projects across 100 research institutes. Since the year 2002, 6 Nobel Prizes have been awarded to Hebrew University academics. This university is spearheading groundbreaking scientific and technological research, innovating ways to feed and protect the resources of our planet. Hebrew University has designed and tested new drugs for cancer and Alzheimer's disease and other illnesses. The Faculty of Medicine is creating the new Institute for Medical Research that brings together top scientists in a multidisciplinary approach to biomedical research. Money raised tonight will support the Institute for Medical Research by providing funds for a new confocal microscope, fellowship funding for researchers, and an endowment to fund the increased scientific collaboration between Hebrew University and Vancouver General Hospital. The Institute for Medical Research is poised to make significant breakthroughs in biomedical sciences and in men's health. Vancouver General Hospital is home to many of the world's best and brightest healthcare professionals, with an unmatched expertise to pioneer breakthrough research and deliver complex, specialized healthcare for the most serious diseases and illnesses that adults will ever face. Dr. Larry Goldenberg is a world-renowned leader in the research and treatment of prostate cancer.
The bravado of the male is such that, I'm impenetrable. Nothing's going to hurt me, right? I'm going to live forever. Well, that's not true. So we have to change that.
Dr. Larry Goldenberg has been a driving force behind the Prostate Center at Vancouver General Hospital. Larry Goldenberg grew up in Toronto, the son of Mark and Esther Goldenberg. At university, while at a chemistry lecture, Larry met his future wife, Dr. Paula Gordon.
Paula is highly successful in her own right in medical sciences. She's internationally known for her work in breast ultrasound, breast cancer research, and I'm very proud of her. And I'm very proud of the fact that she has been able to be a super mom, a super wife, and a super doctor, all at the same time. Paula and I have 2 wonderful sons, 2 great young men. We must have done something right. They understand the importance of curiosity, of trying to achieve the best that one can achieve. They're highly intellectual, they're driven, and probably most importantly, they're nice people. They really are mentioned.
Larry's drive and passion are evident by his unmatched credentials and legacy. He is professor and head of the Department of Urologic Sciences at the University of British Columbia, and as clinical scientist and urologic surgeon, he has an international reputation for excellence in prostate cancer research and treatment. He founded the Prostate Center at VGH, and through his leadership it has been recognized as a center of excellence for prostate research. In 2006, Larry was invested into the Order of British Columbia in honor of his contributions. With these numerous achievements and accomplishments, Dr. Goldenberg has now set his sights on men's health.
What's very important to me is patient education. I have focused on that throughout my whole career. The decision-making process is complex. Every man is different.
His vision is to create a men's health program, an innovative world-leading initiative to improve men's health through research and leadership on promotion and prevention, leading-edge approaches to treating men, and new education for healthcare professionals. Donations to this initiative will help develop programs and research studies in men's health.
The personal cost of not addressing men's health appropriately is huge. When a man ages and he gets sick because perhaps he didn't look after himself well enough when he was still younger or in midlife, that is going to be a huge burden on his wife, on his children, on his friends, his colleagues. I believe that we have the talent here in British Columbia to contribute to an international research initiative in men's health. But we need partners. A couple of years ago, I had the opportunity to visit the Hebrew University in Jerusalem, and I met with many of the scientists who work in the Institute of Medical Research. And I realized that there's a huge potential for collaboration. One of the most exciting parts of the fundraising is the development of this endowment to enable scientists to physically travel between Jerusalem and Vancouver. It's that physical eye-to-eye contact that will enable the development of these collaborations that are so crucial to the success of our research.
Itamar Simone from Hebrew University recently visited Vancouver to meet Dr. Goldenberg and start the collaboration.
I think that any collaboration which brings together two different disciplines, two different scientists, can be really fruitful, but you can make a breakthrough in it. We feel that all the Jews in the world are behind us and help us and support us, and this is really something wonderful.
Larry Goldenberg is a unique individual. He dedicates his life to making life better for men that suffer from prostate cancer, and leads a team that's looking for better ways to diagnose, to treat, and to improve the quality of life for men in this community. He's an individual that whatever he had chosen to do with his life, he would have been an instant success at. Fortunately for me and for a lot of the men in this town, he chose to do what he's doing.
I have been the beneficiary of the wonderful health care in this city through Dr. Goldenberg and his colleagues. So I consider myself to be very fortunate how things worked out for me.
I think the time has come for us to wake up and to get out there and to really develop an attention to men's health that will help us live longer, healthier lives.